Okay, now another point. Look at there I figure check. If you stimulate the vagus nerve, what will indicate? Related to heartbeat. So heartbeat no total yaad hoy. Now we are ending of the need of the 11th standard, right? Cardiac center is located in the medulla. Cardiac center is connected to the vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is connected to the SA node. SA node is connected to the AV node. Purkinje, his bundle of his and Purkinje fiber. How about it? When cardiac center gives the message to the vagus nerve gives the message to the SA node. एक वक्त एक स्टूडेंट एक क्वेश्चन કર્યો તો મેં તમને એ કીધું છે if we remove the frog's heart outside of the body the heartbeats stop permanently. That's why we know that there are two types of the heart, myogenic and neurogenic. So we have myogenic heart. Myogenic heart means the stimulation is initiated by the muscle bundle. And neurogenic heart means the heartbeat is totally controlled by the nervous system, central nervous system. अच्छा, तो question एवो छे कि you know that the 10th cranial nerve, vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve. ये पण તમને કીધું હતું. And vagus nerve is now gives the nerve supply to the SA node. Vagus nerve is divided into phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve goes to the diaphragm, gastric nerve, intestinal nerve, like that. So when you give the stimulation, overstimulation to the vagus nerve, so what is related to heartbeat? Increase or decrease? Suddenly એવું લાગે ને કે vagus nerve is stimulated, then heartbeat increases, but in the opposite way. When you give the stimulation to the vagus nerve, heartbeat decreases. Overstimulation diminishes the function. Normally when the vagus nerve gives the message to the SA node, normally heart sound can be filled. But when you artificially give the stimulation, more stimulation to the vagus nerve, heartbeat diminish. એટલે આ બે સેન્ટેન્સ તમારે પૂછાશે એક ડેન્ટિસ્ટ નો. अच्छा, પછી થોડી એક વાત એની clear about this. Okay, now second thing, facial nerve. આમ તો છે ને 11th cranial nerves તમને ખાલી એક નામ ખાલી કહી દઉં. Only 7th cranial nerve. Facial nerve gives this nerve supply to the facial muscle, and facial nerve is divided just nearer to ear. Trigeminal nerve is also here. Trigeminal, 3 nerves are there. Sorry, 3 nerves are there. Trigeminal, in this way. In this way. So frontal nerve, maxillary nerve and mandibular nerve. Trigeminal nerve. And maxillary nerve and mandibular nerve, it gives the supply to the maxilla and mandible. That's why trigeminal nerve is known as dentist nerve. Majority during dental surgery, trigeminal nerve is anesthetic. And anesthetic કરવાનું. Fine. Seventh nerve is known as facial nerve. The facial nerve is now transmitted nearer to the ear from here, and it gives you so many branches. 80 muscles are present on our face. આગળ તમને કીધું છે total 80 muscles, 80 muscles we have on our face, and all the types of the facial expressions can be controlled by this facial nerve. Okay, elevation of the eyebrow, fine opening, closing of the eye, fine smiling, all the type of the facial expressions are controlled by the facial nerve. હવે તમને થોડી એની વાત કરું. Due to affect the facial nerve, two types of disease occur: facial palsy and Bell's palsy. Anybody knows this? Palsy, paralysis. Facial palsy, Bell's palsy. Facial nerve affected due to that, two types of disease occur. You make it two parts: facial palsy and Bell's palsy. अच्छा, फेस ने 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करिए. Okay, we divide the whole face into 4 parts. Front view, lower 1/4 part is affected. It is known as facial palsy. And half of the face is affected, known as Bell's palsy. કોઈની હિસ્ટ્રી યાદ આવે? આવું ક્યાંય સાંભળ્યું છે? Have you ever heard half of the face become paralyzed? Can you know the history of them? તમે એમને કોઈને પૂછ્યું હોય, તમને એમને તમને કઈ કીધું હોય કે કેવી રીતે થયું? Yes, Aditi, say. What do you want to say? You are saying yes, that's why I am asking you. If you ever heard from any person लॉजिकल आंसर नहीं हो, सैंकड़ों है तो facial palsy in that lower 1/4, either left or right, any 1/4 part of the face is affected. Above part is normal. Bell's palsy in that half face is affected. એવું તો જોયું છે ને, હાફ ફેસ કઈક પેરાલાઇઝ થાય એટલે ફેસ આખું વન સાઇડ ડેવિએટ થઈ જાય. Mouth is or face is deviated towards any one side. શું થાય એમાં? all the muscles on our face has normal power. That's why our face looks normal. Both the sides we have similar muscles. So both the sides muscles have power. That's why our face is there in the normal condition. Bell's palsy. Half of the face is paralyzed. એની હિસ્ટ્રી તમને કહી દઉં. કોઈ જોયું હોય તો એમને હવે તમે પૂછજો કે તમને આવું કહેશે. Chances of the Bell's palsy mostly in the winter season. Early morning, જ્યારે cold air flow થાય, જ્યારે તમે prolong time cold air ના contact માં આવો, history કેવી હશે? શિયાળામાં અમે વહેલા અહીંયાથી અહીંયા જવા માટે નીકળ્યા. ગાડીમાં નહીં જાઉં, બાઇક ઉપર જાઉં. જો કે બેલ્સ પાછી કઈ રીતે થાય સમજાવું તમને. કરવું હોય તો તમારી ચોઈસ. ટુ વ્હીલર લઈને જવાનું. અર્લી મોર્નિંગ ઇન વિન્ટર, કોલ્ડ એર, કાનમાં કાંઈ નહીં લગાવો. એની હિસ્ટ્રી આવી હોય, કાલે અમે અહીંયાથી અહીંયા જતા હતા, સવારના વહેલા નીકળતા, એમ વિચાર્યું કે સવારના વહેલા જગ્યાએ પહોંચી જઈએ. કાલે આખો દિવસ જે કઈ ઇવેન્ટ હતી એ પ્રોપરલી અમે એટેન્ડ કરી. સાંજે રિટર્ન આવ્યા, સુઈ ગયા, થાક્યા હતા. એટલે સવારે ઉઠ્યા ને તો ખબર પડી કે માઉથ ઇઝ ડેવિએટેડ ઓન વન સાઇડ. સાંભળજો. Due to cold air enter inside any ear, it frozen the facial nerve. Corresponding facial nerve is frozen. It ઠંડી થઈ જાય. And due to that nerve is affected, the facial muscles are affected. અને ધ્યાનથી સાંભળજો. માઉથ જે સાઈડ, ધ્યાનથી સાંભળજો. માઉથ જે સાઈડ ડેવિએટ થયું હોય ને, એની ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ બેલ્સ પાલ્સી. માઉથ જે સાઈડ ડેવિએટ થઈ ગયું હોય એની ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ લિપ મૂવમેન્ટ નહીં થાય. આઈ મૂવમેન્ટ, આઈબોલ મૂવમેન્ટ એન્ડ આઈ મૂવમેન્ટ, આઈલિડ મૂવમેન્ટ નહીં થાય. આઈબ્રોઝ મૂવમેન્ટ નહીં થાય. Not that much dangerous disease, but proper care should be taken. Vitamin B12, folic acid injections can be taken. Proper nerve stimulation can be taken. Okay? Giving the facial expression exercise, that person will be cured. And a chewing gum ખાવાનું કેવાનું થાય. Chewing gum ખાવાનું એટલે chewing muscles are continuously exercised. Major complaint is there, drooping of saliva from the affected side. Drooping of saliva. Saliva comes out from the mouth at the affected side. Unable to close the eye. One eye is closed, one eye is properly closed, but affected eye is unable to close. That's why properly cover that eye with the help of continuously with the handkerchief. Cover that eye recurrently and apply the eye drops to prevent the dryness in the eyes. Tell the patient to sit in the front of the mirror and do the whatever facial expression they want to do. Then muscle power decays and the face is going to be normal. Because paralyzed muscle and muscle power and loss કરી દીધો હોય એટલે normal muscles can pull the affected muscles. That's why mouth is deviated on the opposite side. હવે હું જોજો ક્યારે આ એંગલથી જોયું અને કોઈ એવું પર્સન કોન્ટેક્ટમાં હોય કે એને બેલ્સ પાલ્સી થઈ ગયું હતું એને પૂછી જોજો, એ તમને આવી કંઈક હિસ્ટ્રી કહેશે. અનનોન હિસ્ટ્રી છે, અનનોન કોઝ. Cause is what nobody knows, but symptoms are same. Clear? So this is about the facial nerve and vagus nerve. થોડી વાત બાકી હતી. જો કે તમને NCERT માં આ બધું કીધેલું જ છે. Autonomous nervous system is divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic. So, sympathetic nervous system always aggravate the heartbeat, respiratory rate, blood pressure. But remember that sympathetic nervous system decrease the secretion of salivation, means decrease the digestion process. Parasympathetic nervous system stimulate the digestion process. Fine? Reflexes are there. Reflex actions તમને two types લખાવી છે, natural or unconditioned, natural or inherited, or congenital. For example, blinking of eyes by after entering something in our eyes, blinking of eyes, we do like that. Coughing, something is entered inside our trachea, respiratory tract, coughing occurs. Something is entered inside the nasal cavity, sneezing occurs. Right? Hiccup, heartbeat, respiration, all are the reflex actions. Natural reflex actions. Congenital or inherited. This type of the reflex action are common in all the human beings. But natural or congenital reflex actions are divided into two parts, cranial and spinal. Some reflex actions can be controlled by the brain, and it is known as cranial reflex actions. And some reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. For example, if you touch the hot object, immediately you withdraw your part. It is done by the spinal cord. Have you heard knee jerk?
Yes.
When you apply the hammer over knee jerk occurs. Similarly, elbow reflex. Give the prone lying position to the person. Person ne ઊંધું સુવાનું કહી દો. Fine. On the couch, on the bed. Then arm region is totally supported on the bed, and forearm, it is totally hanging in the air. Apply the hammer over the back of the elbow. Elbow reflex is there. It is controlled by the spinal cord. So knee reflex, elbow reflex. Fine. Withdraw the part by touching the sharp or hot object. Sharp object એ બોલું છું કે suppose ચાલતા અહીંયા કંઈક I am doing like that. કંઈક pointed substance આવી ગયું હોય તો તરત આપણે પગને ખેંચી લે છે. So that type of the reflexation occurs by the spinal cord. Conditioned reflex actions are non-inherited, non-congenital. And these all the types of the reflex actions are by learning. We learn that, and it is depends on the memory. For example, driving a vehicle. સપોઝ તમે પ્રોલોંગ ટાઈમ કોઈ વ્હીકલ ડ્રાઈવ ન કર્યું હોય તો તમને સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં થોડી તકલીફ પડશે. પ્લેઇંગ ધી એની મ્યુઝિકલ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ, સપોઝ કોઈ એક કીબોર્ડ પ્લેયર છે, કીબોર્ડ પ્લેયર એ પ્રોલોંગ ટાઈમ કીબોર્ડ પ્લે ન કરે તો એ બધું ભૂલી જાય. Typing without seeing, typing without seeing on the screen. For example, some any typist there, fine, so he or she can look at the book and immediately type rapidly, fast. Now, suppose prolonged time typing na કર્યું હોય તો એની સ્પીડ ડિક્રીઝ થઈ જશે. Everybody is able to type, but speed is different. Knitting, gúંથણ કામ. So this, all the types of the reflex actions are conditioned or non-inherited or non-congenital, which can be learned by learning or memorized by learning. બરાબર? એ inherited ના આવે, એ learning થી જ આવે. So this is about the reflex action. Cerebellum, the part of the hind brain which controls the balance and coordination. We have two types of the balance: static balance and dynamic balance. Suppose I am standing here, so this is known as static balance. So during walking, maintain the position of the body known as dynamic balance. And coordination. For example, તમે બોર્ડ ઉપર લખો છો, જુઓ છો, વાંચો છો, સમજો છો અને સાથે સાથે લખાતું જાય છે, that is known as coordination. સપોઝ તમે બોર્ડ ઉપર જુઓ છો, વાંચો છો, સમજો છો, લખો છો, સાઈડમાં સાંભળો છો, બોડી શું કહે? This is એ તમને બહુ સારું લાગે. ત્યાં પાછળથી કોઈ બધું ઉતરી જાય, 2 મિનિટ આનું સાંભળી લેવા દે. Work is in progressing. अच्छा, तो सૌથી important thermoregulation by hypothalamus એક બહુ પૂછાય છે. Hunger and thirst are also controlled by hypothalamus. બરાબર? એ બધા brief questions યાદ રાખજો. "24-hour rhythm of the body is controlled by pineal gland. Melatonin, biological clock of the body." 20 seconds માં કહીશ. પણ અહીંયા આવે डायनसिफेलॉन માં થર્ડ વેન્ટ્રિકલ માં. બરાબર? એટલે ખાલી એક કેવું પડે એવું છે. Each neuron cell connect with 25,000 other cells. Velocity of nerve impulse is 5 to 50 times more. Velocity of nerve impulse is 5 to 50 times more in myelinated nerve than non-myelinated nerve.
Myelinated nerve?
Then non-myelinated. Most important. In mammals, the speed of nerve impulse is વિચારી લખજો જે બોલું છું 100 to 130 meter per second. હું તો વિચારીને જ બોલ્યો છું, તમે સરખું વિચારીને સમજીને લખજો. In mammals, speed of nerve impulse is 100 to 150 meter per second. Bracket you write maximum. Okay, maximum velocity of nerve impulse in mammals. ખાલી એટલું તો વિચારો ત્યાં તો એક્ટિવિટી થઈ જાય છે રિફ્લેક્સ એક્શનમાં. When you touch the hot object, immediately you withdraw the hand. કેટલો ટાઈમ થયો? વિચારતા નથી, એની વારમાં તારે ખેંચાઈ ગયું. In frog, 30 meter per second. In reptile, 15 to 35 meter per second. Malathion is used as an insecticide. Malathion is used as an insecticide which destroy acetylcholine in human. Curare is a drug which blocks acetylcholine receptors of skeletal muscles. Is a drug which blocks acetylcholine receptors of skeletal muscle. So that can be used by surgeon during operation. So it is used by surgeon during operation to make skeletal muscles relax. Barabar? So for relaxing the skeletal muscles, curare is used during surgery. Increase in the amount of the CSF. Increase the amount of CSF cause disease condition is known as hydrocephalus. ચાર તો મેં જોયેલું છે પણ તમને એક ઇમેજિંગ કરાવું. ક્યારેક તમે એવું જોયું છે કે કમ્પેરેટિવલી ટુ ધી ફેસ હેડ બહુ આમ મોટું હોય, ફૂલાઈ ગયેલું હોય. Head is much more large. Nose દેખાય, veins દેખાય, but this frontal bone and this much, the upper part of the head is much more larger. હા, થોડું એલિયન્સ જેવું આપણને. ક્યારેક તમે અમુક ચાઇલ્ડમાં જોજો. મેં તો જોયું છે કે અમુક ચાઇલ્ડ બર્થ પછી આવી રીતે હાઇડ્રોસેફેલસ ઇઝ વેરી કોમન. એને હાઇડ્રોસેફેલસ કહેવાય. The more amount of CSF in the cranial cavity. એટલે તમે આમ જો ને તો ફેસ જે છે એમ અડધો ફેસ એટલું તો માથું હોય ખાલી. Much more long head is there. It's known as encephalitis. Acetylcholine is synthesized by mitochondria. Reticular activating system. Make a heading here. Reticular activating system. Now you write little bit for this. It is spatial sensory fiber. It is spatial sensory fiber which is situated in brainstem, and further go into thalamus. It is related with consciousness, alertness, and awakening. So it is known as gatekeeper of consciousness. Next, Parkinson's disease. Now, next point. Gatekeeper of consciousness guru. Reticular activating system is also known as gatekeeper of consciousness. Next point, Parkinson's disease occurs due to dopamine, deficiency of dopamine. Parkinson's Parkinson's disease is caused by deficiency of the dopamine, or we say that hyposecretion of the dopamine. which cause muscle tremor. Muscle tremor, Tremor. Voluntary muscles are, नहीं समझाओ, लखो तो लख ले लो. Voluntary muscles are involuntarily contracted continuously. Right? Muscle tremor. Parkinson's disease mostly occur in the leg region. तो कि तुमने लाइव में बताई है. The continuously the leg is constantly vibrating like that, right? And when that person can coming in contact with the floor, the body is vibrated, continuously vibration there. The prolonged time dopamine treatment is required. Dopamine supplement करવું પડે. Huntington's chorea. Huntington's chorea. It is due to deficiency of GABA. It is due to deficiency of GABA, GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid. Right? It's a neurotransmitter. Cause rapid involuntary progressive dementia, DEMENTIA, cause death. Dementia એટલે sleeplessness, અનિદ્રા કહેવાય. Dementia. Rapid, involuntary and progressive dementia cause death. Okay? Huntington's chorea. Constant sleeplessness cause death. Eco type of inflammatory infection. Protozoal infection. Alzheimer's disease is very common in Down syndrome. Alzheimer's disease. More common in Down syndrome. And Alzheimer disease is normally in old age people. Huh? ત્યાં Alzheimer disease consider કરી શકાય, but due to old age, they normal. But Alzheimer disease occurs at any age due to affect the amygdala. Amygdala and hippocampus is affected there. That's why main symptom is here memory loss. Amygdala and the hippocampus are the part of the limbic system. Perfect. Sensory organs are remaining. Sensory organs are remaining. 1 or 2 lectures are required for that, and maximum 1 or 2 lectures for the endocrine system. Okay? Finally, need to be over. Okay,